Assalamu alaikum. Today our lesson is about food safety and hygiene. Okay, we have a problem with our food if it's kept unprotected. Food cannot be stored for a long time. Why? Because there have changes that take place. These changes may affect the texture, the taste, the color of the food. It doesn't taste good, it smells very bad. This is all because of microorganisms. Microorganisms produce enzymes that cause the food to spoil and cause also might cause food poisoning. The three types of microorganisms that are involved in this problem is the bacteria, the yeast, and molds. Microorganisms are all around us, but if it's in food, this is a big problem. We cannot see them by the microscope, but we can protect and make proper hygiene to prevent them to spoil our food. Now, the problem in these bacteria that cannot, like I told you before, we cannot see them, but the good thing that microorganism can also be used for the food industry. Example, for the cheese, we use the microorganisms, yogurt, bread, and corn. We're going to talk about this later. Now, to understand this and how it happens, let's talk about what the bacteria needs to grow. It needs four things: a proper temperature, which is 37 degrees. Also, it makes sugar for it, the type of food that has sugar and proteins for it to get nutrients. Time, imagine that every 20 minutes the bacteria multiply. So within few hours, the bacterium can become several million if it's left in the proper conditions. And of course, usually food has moisture and it's ideal for the bacteria to grow. And this is the result. Now, let's talk about food poisoning. Food poisoning is because of bacteria. These bacteria are called pathogenic bacteria. They produce toxins. Example, like Clostridium botulinum. It is a pathogenic bacteria that is very harmful and can cause death in young children. Okay, it's because of poor hygiene and poor preparation of food that you got this food poisoning. The main types of food poisoning usually is salmonella, which is gets